Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mahjong like a pro. First, let's set up the game. Mahjong is played with 4 players, each taking a specific wind direction. The game uses 144 tiles, divided into 3 suits, honor tiles, and bonus tiles. Players build a wall of tiles, 18 stacks long and 2 tiles high. Then, the dealer breaks the wall to start the game, determining the initial turn order. The core of Mahjong involves drawing and discarding tiles. On your turn, you draw 1 tile and then discard 1. The goal is to form sets, either 3 identical tiles, called a pong, or 3 consecutive tiles of the same suit, known as a chow. You need to complete 4 sets and 1 pair to declare a winning hand. This continuous cycle of drawing and discarding drives the game forward. To elevate your game, master advanced moves. A Kong is 4 identical tiles, which allows you to draw an extra tile. You can also steal a discarded tile to complete a Pong, Chow, or Kong, but this changes the turn order. Beyond standard hands, aim for special hands like 13 Orphans or all Pongs for higher scores. Understanding basic scoring principles is crucial for maximizing your points and winning. Playing like a professional requires keen observation and strategic thinking. Pay close attention to what your opponents discard. This offers clues about their potential hands. Prioritize forming valuable sets and pairs early on to build a strong foundation. Be flexible and adapt your strategy as new tiles are drawn and discarded. Consistent practice is key to developing your intuition and making quick, effective decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.